All our Samcon condos are equipped with a smoke detector and a heat detector. In case an alarm is triggered, exit your condo immediately. The alarm will stop only by switching off the Mircom principal system at the entrance of the building by pressing the silence button. The complete shutdown should be done only by the fire department. For your security, the fire department will give you the authorization to come back to your condo when the area will be ensured to be out of danger. Many Samcon rooms are equipped with a fire alarm. In case the heat detector or sprinklers are triggered, the alarm will ring. You can put it to silence for 5 minutes by pressing the button.